Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Paycom application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you do, just tap on the search box and then search for Paycom. Once you find the Paycom application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and that will open up the Paycom application. And then you can simply proceed with logging in or signing up to your account in order to use the Paycom application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and use the Paycom application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.